Alright, so we are here at, what's the name of this place? Golden Valley. It's one of the tourist spot here in Dalat, Vietnam. So this is like a natural park. We're gonna explore the place because I saw so many beautiful trees over there, big pine trees, and let's see what else we can see in this place. For the entrance for this place is 70,000 dong, or almost $4.
Three something.
Yeah, so it's 70,000 Vietnamese dong per person. So we will now look for our friends. They came here early. They came here first and they just call us to join them. Let's go. There are no tourists here today. It's so amazing, guys, because today is Tuesday and there are no tourists around here. I think just us, just me and Dima and our friends. Our friends arrived here first. They are somewhere, so we're gonna find them. Oh look, I found a cat. I saw a cat. Look at this cutie cat. Hello, hello. What are you doing there? So cute. Look at the cat. Hello there, Mimi. Look at Mimi's here. Mimi. Look at Mimi. So scared. It's more beautiful without so many tourists. There is a lake over there. So many trees around and flowers. Alright, let's go inside. Ooh. Ooh. Wow! Look at that! Look at those beautiful flowers! There are so many beautiful flowers here, different types. Yeah, I like flowers. It's for your mother. Okay, I'm gonna shoot flowers for your mother. Wow, I really like this place, guys. There are so many different kinds of flowers here. It's so amazing, so beautiful. And look at those trees, green plants. There's a maze, a pine tree maze. Let's go inside this forest. Cool. I hope there's no snakes here. I hope there's no snake here. Whoa. Amazing. Wow. There is a grave in here. Somebody's grave. This is such a nice place. Whoa. This forest is so enchanting. Bye bye. Whoa. There's a mini fake zoo in here with fake animals. Okay, so this area looks like for children. Oh, gardeners. There are bonsai trees. If I'm not wrong, these are bonsai trees, but it's also already with flowers. Different kinds of hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Butterfly. The pollination process. Ooh, peacock. Oh, so beautiful. So lovely. I don't know what's the name of this flower, but I really love this. The color is so beautiful. Whoa. If you happen to know the name of the flower, guys, please comment below. There's a lake in here, but the water is really dirty. I want to give you something. Come on, give me your hand. Warm! Right, so this place is really relaxing. The air is fresh and the nature is beautiful. Just the lake is not so clean. I mean, the lake is dirty. The water is really dirty. It's not clear, but around here is really beautiful. Like, there are so many different kind of trees and different kind of flowers, and they also have water rides, boat rides. You can also ride boats here.
Так, задний ход. Окей. Так. Все, ебать. Не, слушай, нормально. Нет, в принципе. Еще поворот. Стоп. Вперед. Давай нитро ебанем. Бля, что мы сюда поворачиваем?
I found a very cute doggy. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi.
Ba café soda.
So cute.
Một café bao nhiêu?
Bye bye. We're going now. Bye bye. Hello.
Вон ценник.
Alright guys, so we're done here at this park. We're gonna go now to a lake at the mountains. It's like almost an hour from here. Ice cream in Vietnamese kem. Oh no. The chicken gets scared of me. What is this fountain? Oh, fish. Fish. I have to wash my shoes because it's so dirty. Go to another place. We will go now to a lake. Is it a lake then? Yeah, it looks like a beautiful lake. We found it in Google Maps, so we're going there. It's somewhere up at the mountain. Here is nice. I don't want to cross the river. It looks like the current is too strong and I'm too skinny for this.
Вот именно шагать тяжело. Стоять можно.
Ah, no. I don't want to.
It's cold?
Yeah, it's cold. But not so cold. Not too cold.
Да, как нам домой добраться?
Добраться бы туда, там прикольная такая фоточка, можно там просто...
Who wanna go first? You go first?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's okay if there's a rope there, here, but there's no rope. It's very dangerous to cross that river. The current is too strong. They're backing out. They don't want to cross it already. They felt scared.
Это Нави предложила.
Нави, ты думаешь, здесь дорога?
I can go this way. Just swim.
Oh yeah, this way looks easier.
It's easier than there. Okay, let's proceed to our next destination. So many stops already. We arrived at the lake. This is the way going to the lake. But they're saying that that bike is not allowed to go up, so we're gonna have to rent a car here. Back and forth. 7 kilometers going up. And the road is so bad. That's a nice house. Rock. It's made of rocks. So right now we're in another place. We tried to negotiate the price of the car that would take us to the lake, but it's too expensive, so we didn't go. So we will just stay here. So beautiful house. To the lake. Right? We will not go to the lake. But there's also another lake here. Alright guys, so we will not go to the lake anymore. Because the only way to get there is by car, and the car is really expensive. So we're just gonna explore this place right here. It's also beautiful. Our painted horse again. Why do they like making? They like our horse. Remember, you are a horse, not a zebra. Some tribal
Ладно, погнали на плот, она сейчас отсюда выкинут.
patterns
На нас уже смотрит.
roam around here because this is a private place, so we need to go back. Is this the way? I think this is it. What's that? Worm? Here? Okay, another way. But our bikes are there. We need to go back to our bike because we're not allowed here.
Or just bike something. It's kind of a bike that don't go.
Oh my god, our bike is broken. Try to use the circle.
Uga, what's that? It should be like that.
What?
This one.
Oh no.
What's it?
I don't know what's this. I think it's just like this.
I
Minta.
don't remember it was like that.
Really? I think this is for brake.
How was it? By the way?
You turn on this, don't
No.
just put it back. I don't know what was that. Something wrong with our bike. It's not working. And we are far from the center. You know, try it again.